is Christian Fouts with Core Real Estate Solutions. I'm sitting here with Bill and Kim at Wilkinson Title Agency. We just got done signing all the documents for them to sell their house to me in North Fort Myers. And I just wanted them to share a little bit about how we came to meet each other and how I was able to help them out, and we were able to come to a win-win solution for the both of us.
Yeah, we met a guy named Roy who was a roofer, and I had become a little overwhelmed with our roof, and I had asked Roy if he knew of anybody that might want to purchase our home, and he said, I met this really nice guy, and I got his card, and he says, call him up. So I did, and the next thing, Christian and I and Bill, we all got together, and Christian's been just wonderful. He's taken good care of Bill and I. He came in with the right numbers, what we needed and what he could afford to pay, so everybody's happy here, including my husband. And the closing.
He's a tough one too. I had to really butter him up.
So he's worked really well with us. He's answered all of our questions. He's been there for us anytime I needed or Bill needed to know something. And again, I would recommend Christian to anybody. As a matter of fact, I'm going to send some people to him in the near future. And he also has a wonderful closing agent that he works with. So it all went really well, and the closing went fantastic. So I couldn't even say any more because I'd be going on and on. But I will tell you that these people are honest, hard-working people. And he did everything that we asked him to, vice versa, and it worked out really well. Christian, it's been a pleasure working with you.
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah.
And Bill.
Yeah.
And I had to try to stop Bill. He wanted to clean up and do some things. I said, listen, we're buying it as is. I don't want you to do any more work and everything. So a little backstory. Kim had mentioned how a roofer by the name of Roy had given her and Bill my contact information. So if you fast forward, if you go back maybe about 2 weeks ago, I had another property that we had purchased in Lehigh Acres, and the gentleman had some personal belongings in there, including a Toyota Tacoma, a Sonoma, a GMC Sonoma, and he was supposed to come down right before closing and get his pickup truck and bring it back to Wisconsin. He calls me up days before closing and says, hey Christian, would you mind if I leave the truck? Do you want it? I said, I wasn't looking for it, but if you want me to take care of it, I'd be happy to, if you want to send me the title. So he ended up doing that. I got it cleaned up. I put it on Craigslist, and Roy was the gentleman who contacted me about buying the pickup truck. I gave him a fair price, and I guess he was happy working with me on that transaction. And he said, you know what do you do? He's like, I want to send you some business. I told him, what we do. We help people sell their house hassle-free, quickly. And sure enough, he referred me just a couple of days later. That's how I got introduced to Kim and Bill. And the other thing I want to point out too is this transaction happened pretty quickly. Right?
It happened very quickly because we needed to close. We had told Christian we wanted to close by Friday, which is tomorrow, because my husband has some upcoming surgery on Monday in Savannah. And I didn't worry the least about it. Everything went as planned. And matter of fact, we closed a day sooner. Today is Thursday.
So 10 days. So we did it, and we did from the time we actually met to closing. It was about 10 days.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It was perfect. You couldn't ask for better. And Sonia over here, the closing agent at Wilkinson's agency, she was very, very good too. She was very thorough. So we appreciate both of them. They made this happen today, and Bill and I were happy campers.
Great, and I'm so happy. I love to hear that they're walking away from the closing table happy with the transaction.
Have a property you need to sell ASAP? There are no commissions, no repairs, no closing costs, and no hassles. Give us a call at 239-360-3176 or visit us at sellmyhousenowusa.com. And don't forget to subscribe here for more content.